Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will be showing you how to use Google AI Studio. So this is really simple. All you need to do, just click start from a tempo. You can either select start from a tempo or dynamic text game using Gemini Power Code Review, or Imagine Pixel Art Maker. I will click start from a new template, and then you can choose a template, and basically in every function all you need to do, just make some codes that will work with Gemini AI. So it's a lot of coding. And then I could click this, and then you have a preview on the right side that shows you how it will look like. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.